Right guys, so welcome back to the video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to remap the Bixby key or the power button key to the power menu instead of the Bixby key. So yeah, basically now the Note 10 is sharing the Bixby key and the power button together. So if you're wondering how do I turn off my device and how do I go to the power menu, so basically you can just swipe up here to go to the power menu on top, which take you to the menu, or you have to hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time, which is very annoying. So you have to do something like this, and then the menu only comes up. So by default, if you hold the power button or Bixby key, it will take you to Bixby, so which is what you don't want. So I'm going to show you guys how to disable that and change the button configuration. So one way is you can just hold the buttons here, like you want to go to the menu, and you'll see a side key settings. You can go to that setting, or you can go to the settings menu here and just search for side key panel, which is easier. So just type side key and it should appear on advanced features, and here we go, side key, and this is where you configure the settings for the side key. So basically by default you can see is press and hold is wake Bixby, which is what you don't want. So you're going to change to power off menu, and if you want to use double press, you can turn it on, but it's on by default. You can change to quick launch camera, open Bixby, or open any app you want in your apps list. So I'm gonna disable this. Of course this video is going to be showcasing how to remap the Bixby key to the power menu option. So now it's enabled. You can see we hold the power button. As usual, you get this menu, which is what you wanted to see. And so we don't have to use this option here, which is to turn off. Yeah, it's another way to turn off the device as well. So yeah, that's a pretty quick and simple tutorial guys on how to remap the Bixby key to the power menu. So pretty simple, and you can do this all without installing any kind of remapping app or something like that. So all can be done in the software itself. So very nice, they allow us to remap the key now. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching guys. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for more videos regarding the Galaxy Note 10, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.